These are biface bases from the needle site. Most of them have what is called a reverse hinge or plunging flute, which broke the biface. A lot of times they came in from the angle near the corner instead of the center to make these flutes. The platforms are completely variable. Some of them are snapped. Some of them have a ground bevel carefully prepared. Most of them, however, is just a straight base. There's a few we'll see with nipples, isolated platforms, but not very many. This is an example. We find a lot of these, they hit the base popped off, made an angled platform. They took thinning flakes from there. The median size for these is about 2 inches by 2 inches. And what we're looking at is repetitive patterned behavior. They're using the same strategies with different basal preps to thin the points on one face. Very few of these are thinned on another face, on both faces. This one has an overshot from this edge, another overshot from this edge, an overshot from that edge. These two may have been from the same napper. This has a carefully prepared nipple with removals on either side of it. This one has a somewhat lesser nipple, but they're quite similar. This is the smaller end of the bases. All of that fluting going on. These are some channel flakes from the needle site, where the platforms have survived. They're ground and isolated. And there's horizontal flakes coming across the faces of these from biface thinning before the flute was taken out. It's a little darling right there. These are channel flakes that came down, plunged, and took off the tip. Or in some cases, these may be bases that collapsed, like an edge collapse flake. The base of the biface collapsed. And these are tips, distal ends, with remnants of the fluting scars. This curved, lateral curved break is present on most of them. Thank you for watching.